Hello, welcome back to my channel, TESL Online Classroom. I'm Dr. B. My email address is drb.tesltutor@gmail.com. Log on to my website, http://www.tesltutor.com. Today, we're going to learn letter sound and picture recognition, segmenting, blending, and syllabication. This video provides a brief lesson on segmenting, blending, and syllabication. Beginner readers, English learners, and others, young and adult, will benefit from this lesson by learning how to analyze and decode multi-syllabic words. These skills help learners determine the corresponding sounds for each letter. Note, when we segment, we break words down in individual sounds. When we blend, we pull together individual sounds to make a word. Teachers use blending, segmenting, and syllabication to prepare children to learn to read. Educational experts call these skills a phonological awareness. It is an important part of developing a reader. So, pay attention, have fun, and let's learn. Let's start with the letter, sound, and picture recognition. The first letter is A. A. B. B. C. C. Very good. Now let's go to segmenting, blending, and syllabication. C says K. A says A. T says T. Cat. Cat. Very good. All right. A. A says A as an apple. That's right. I like to eat apples. A. A says A as an acorn. That's right. Squirrels like to eat acorns. Very good. All right. B. B says B. Banana. That's right. A banana is sweet. B. B says B. Bat. That's right. Bats like to fly at night. C. C says carrot. Rabbits like to eat carrots. C. C says corn. I like to eat sweet corn. D. D says t as in dog. Dog. Very good. My neighbor's dogs barked all night. D. D as in duck. Duck. I saw a duck in my pond. E. E says as in egg. Egg. I like to eat boiled egg. E. E says E as in eagle. An eagle has a sharp beak and strong claws. Very good. F. F says as in fish. My pond has plenty of fish. F. F says as in fork. I use fork to lift food to my mouth. G. G says G as in goat. Goats also provide milk. G. G says G as in gum. A chewing gum is soft and sweet. H. H says H as in hat. I wear a hat to protect me from the sun. H. H says H as in house. I like a warm and comfortable house. I. I says eh as in igloo. People from the North Pole call their snow house an igloo. I. I says I as in ice cream. I like to eat ice cream for dessert. G. G says J as in Jeep. A Jeep is a brand of American automobile. G. G says J as in juice. I like to drink orange juice in the morning. K. K says K as in kangaroo. A kangaroo has powerful hind legs and small front legs. K. K says K as in kite. I fly my kite in an open space when it is windy. L. L says L as in lion. Lions roam the grassland of the African continent. L. L says L as in light bulb. I need a light bulb for my lamp. Light bulb. M. M says as in map. This is a map of the United States of America. M. M says as in milk. Fresh cow's milk is a healthy drink. N. N says as in net. I catch fish with my fishing net. N. N says as in notebook. I write my journal in my notebook. O. O says as in octopus. An octopus has 8 arms and bulbous heads. O. O says O as in orange. An orange is a sweet fruit from an orange tree. P. P says P as in plate. I put food on my plate. P. P says P as in potato. A potato is a vegetable used to make potato salad. Q. Q says Qu as in quail. A quail is a small, short-tailed bird that resembles a chicken. Q. Q says Qu as in queen. A queen is a wife or widow of a king who rules a country. R. R says R as in rainbow. A rainbow usually appears in the sky after the rain. R. R says R as in ring. A ring is worn on my fingers or anybody's fingers. S. S says S as in sun. The sun is the star at the center of the solar system. S. S says S as in strawberry. A strawberry is a sweet, juicy fruit that grows on vines. T. T says T as in tiger. A tiger is the largest cat species found in a forest. T. T says T as a turkey. A turkey is a large bird that is native to the Americas. U. U says as an umbrella. I use my umbrella to protect me from the sun or rain. U. U says U as in unibike. A unibike has one wheel. V. V says V as in van. A van is a type of road vehicle used for transporting goods or people. V. V says V as in vase. A vase is an open container usually used for flowers. W. W said W as in watermelon. A watermelon is a large fruit that grows in vines. W. W says W as in waffle. A waffle is a dish made from batter or dough in between two hot plates with patterns. X. X says X as in X-ray. An X-ray imaging creates pictures of the inside of your body. X. X says X as in box. A box is used as a strong place for storage, for files, for tools and other things. Y. Y says yeah as in yarn. A yarn is used for sewing, knitting, or crocheting outfits, scarves, and blankets. Y. Y says yeah as in yo-yo. A yo-yo is a toy consisting of two discs and a string looped around the axle. Z. Z is this Z as in zebra. A zebra has a unique pattern of distinctive stripes. Z. Z says Z as in zipper. A zipper is a fastener used to open or close a garment or a bag. Did you have fun? You did a great job watching. I want you to go over the alphabet and learn the sounds. Great job. Good job listening. I'll see you in my next lesson. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Bye-bye.